Okay, so in this problem you're dealing with taxes this time around. So here it says that Dave buys a baseball for $15 plus an 8% tax. Mel buys a football for $20 plus an 8% tax. Find the difference in the amounts Dave and Mel paid, including tax. Round your answer to the nearest cent. So there's two ways you can do this problem. So I'll show you the two methods. So I'll show you the traditional method and then the method we discussed in class before, and also in your Mathia workbooks, and also your Mathia workspaces as well. Okay, so let's discuss the traditional method. So we have what Dave bought. So we're going to focus on Dave first. So I'm going to write here Dave, because I'm only focusing on Dave right now. So we know that it's $15 plus an 8% tax. So how do I find this 8%, right? So I have 15 plus, now to do this, I'm going to change the percent to a decimal as you guys did on your Khan Academies and Mathia workspaces. So I'm going to have 0.08 times the amount, which is $15, right? Because I'm trying to find out what 8% of 15 is. Okay, so once I work this out here, so I'm going to go here to the calculator. So I have here 0.08 times 15, and I get 1.2. Another way you can do it is that you could say 8%, I'm typing this in, folks, 8% of 15, and notice that I also get 1.2. So either way, how you do it, it is up to you, right? So it's going to be 15 plus $1.20, right? So $1.20. And then if I add this up, I get $16.20. Okay? And then I go ahead and do the Mel, so I'll do Mel in green. So Mel buys a football with $20 plus 8% tax, right? So here's Mel. I spelled Mel here. Mel. So it's $20 plus an 8% tax. Okay, 8% tax. So I approach it the same way. Here's $20 plus an 8% tax, so I'll have 0.08 times 20. Okay, so if I multiply this out, so again, I go right here, hit enter. So 0.08 times 20, I get $1.60, or again, you could say 8% of 20, and I get the same amount there. So I have $20 plus $1.60. Okay, and if I add this up, I get $21.60. Okay, but then if you notice, I'll put this in blue, it's asking to find the difference. Okay, and if you remember back in our elementary and sixth grade days, difference means subtract. So I want to find the difference between these two. So when you're finding the difference, okay, it's always big minus small. Big minus small. Okay, when you're finding the difference. So I have the green one here, $21.60 minus $16.20. Okay, so if I subtract that, that's when I go over here, $21, whoops, have to hit enter, $21.60 minus $16.20. Okay, I get $5.40. So I get $5.40. So then you would want to write a complete sentence like the difference is $5.40. Now this is the traditional way to do it, okay? But there's a much faster way to do it here. Okay, but it requires a little bit of thinking, right, and a little bit of outside the box thinking. So here's the thing with Dave. Again, it's $15 plus an 8% tax. Since you're being taxed, so you have to remember here, I'll put Dave again. So you have to remember that $15, okay, so I'll write this again, $15 plus the 8% tax. You have to remember that this is technically your original, which is 100%, something I discussed before. And since you're adding an 8% to this, 100 plus 8 is 100, altogether 108% that you're paying. This is what you're paying for. Okay? So what we want to do is find out 108% of 15. So you'll have here 1.08 multiplied by 15. Okay? To get the answer just a little bit quicker. And if we do that, let me hit enter here. 1.08 times 15. Notice that we get $16.20 a lot faster. So we get $16.20. Okay? And you could do the similar thing with Mel. Here's Mel. $20 plus 8% tax. I'll put Mel here. So again, it's $20 plus an 8% tax. So technically, we're paying 108%. That's what we're paying for. So you have 1.08 times not 15 this time, my bad, times 20. And if we do that in a calculator fairly quickly, 1.08 multiplied by 20. Notice that we get $20.60 really fast. Let me put parentheses around here. $20.60. It's 60 cents, right? Yes, it is. All right, so notice how we get these results a little bit faster than this one. So it's technically skipping the adding part right here that you see here. Whoops. The adding part right here, right? So it's kind of neat to do that. And then you can find the difference by subtracting it, and you'll get the same amount. All right. And again, if you need to review these two concepts, again, the Matheo Workspace is a good start. Also, you were given Khan Academies on this as well to help you practice.